Cool. So we got this splint here. This is actually my splint, printed with the new support settings. As you can see, very few supports that I need to cut off. I think there's like about 12. So we're just gonna basically go through, see how easy it is to remove these supports. If you can hear something in the background, don't mind it. It's my Bamboo Lab FDM printer running away in the background. So let's get straight into it. I think first things first, I would highly recommend a really good pair of sprue cutters. These are the Citadel ones. Anyone who's collected Warhammer, you would have probably seen something like this. I really like these. They open super wide. They're really sharp at the beak. These ones are at least 4 years old, and I just basically chuck them in the Pro Wash. Yeah, they really keep. So they're pretty expensive, but definitely well worth the money spent. So of course, I'm going to do a little bit of gymnastics here, kind of recording behind the phone. Bit of a snip here. Wow, that's super easy to cut off, and then yeah, really nice. Only a few supports to cut off. Sprue cutters, and basically we're just going to snip them off like so. Super easy. This will be even better with the optical polish trays. Really looking forward to that. And then bang, you are done. That's awesome. That's really cool. So I'll wait for this to properly dry and then I'll cure it. But yeah, really liking this new support. The new supports on Rayware Cloud for splints. It's going to be an absolute game changer for same day splints. Awesome work.